Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change name on Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you'll have to download this Cash App application in your phone. Once you have installed this application, open the app. Once you open it, it will ask you to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one. Once you create one, log into your account. Once you log in, it will take you to this home page. Once you're on this home page, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner, and then this menu will open up. From this menu, tap on this edit profile button. Now on this page, it will show your basic informations like your full name and your cash tag, which is also your username. Now to change your name, tap on this box and then enter your new name. Once you type in your name, tap on this save button, and just like this, you will change your name. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.